Good morning, friends. How are you? I got my workout in earlier and I'm vlogging a little later now. I got my nails done, dip powder, for sponsor games. I went for like a brighter red. I had this red, but it was like a deeper burgundy and now it's like in your face. Sponsor games red. How are you? I just picked up Jacob. We got our piano tuned today. Jacob's excited about it. He's downstairs playing or just listening to see if it's any different. I love Jakey's school so much, but the pickup situation is lovely. But if I may add one little critique, I wish they wouldn't like rush us out after I picked him up. The doors are opening, the doors closed, and then they're like, time to move on. And I'm like, he's not putting on his seatbelt yet. Like he's still in the process. Because what he has to do is take off his backpack, take off his jacket. All that stuff is there. Oh, his snow gear is gone, or his snow gear is put away. And then he puts on his seatbelt. And then we disinfect our hands with a hand disinfectant spray. And I'm like, I don't like being rushed. And I'm not moving my vehicle until my child is buckled up. Right, Jakey? Mommy do not play about that. We buckle up our seatbelts, right? Buckle up my seatbelt. Where'd you go? More snacks? Y'all, check out their snacks. Hold on, I'll show you. This is their snack drawer. I try to make it nice and organized. I particularly like the teriyaki gimmies. And then I also use, well, this is my baking part. And then lots of snacks. But don't get it twisted. We got another section right here. Turn on them lights, baby. Oh, Uncle Lester, handsome Uncle Lester, we love him. This is our pantry. We also store some snacks in here. My pantry is not like aesthetically pleasing, but it works for me because I can grab all the things I need for my baking, cooking stuff. Hello, my friends. So I made these cottage pies, these tiny little cottage pies for dinner, like that. Oh my gosh, my first time making it. It's good. You know, I made 4 of them, so we can all have one. And then we got some salad for dinner too. And also the boys have leftover steak too and rice if they're not feeling like this, because you know I like to give them options. The meal prep with these egg bites. These are some thick girls. Look at that. Cookies for dessert. You got that cookie for dessert. You got 2 of them, buddy?
Yeah.
That's delicious. And we're watching our squirrely whirly friends. We just gave them some macadamia nuts. See, look at my cute little squirrely whirlies. That one is Chippy Nibbles. Hello, my friends. How are you? Sorry about the lighting. It's kind of gloomy outside. And I just realized the vlogging camera had better lighting. Because what is this? Sorry about that. I look sweaty because I just worked out. And then I went to Five Below with Amy. I love working out with her. Anyways, I got some stuff that the leprechaun will surprise the kids with. If I may, I'd love to show you. They didn't have a lot of like, oopsie, St. Patrick's Day themed stuff. So I just got what was there. Pretty much candy and stuff. So the leprechaun is giving the boys. It's also good for Easter, you know? So that's what the leprechaun is doing. And then inside, they will have a set of playing cards, like this. And then Amy and the cashier told me that these peelers are really good. So it was 3 for $5, so I bought 3. The lychee one's mine. And then I got some gum because we needed gum for the house. And then I got this glowy sunscreen. I'm really excited to try it. Let me show you. It's sunscreen with a little bit of shimmer. Let's see. Girl! Sorry, I'm already looking at it like, will it blend? Oh, actually, there's not really much shimmer to it. I'm kind of disappointed, but it's okay. It's all good. It smells good. This is new inside of the blow pop, like the gum part of the blow pop. Some push pop. And then Uno cards for the kids to play with. I only needed 1 Uno, so they're going to have to share. The leprechaun's going to have to tell them to share. This is for Jakey, cat, crayon. And then this is for Liam, markers. And then spring break, beach vacation. And that is also from the leprechaun. And then the leprechaun knows that they love their movie nights. And then the leprechaun knows that I love socks. I mean, look at these socks. It matches my whole, hold on. Let me show you my jacket. That's pretty much the haul. It's just candy. Oh, and then this is for me on the plane for when we go to San Antonio sponsor games, which is very soon. But let's get into this jacket though. I love this jacket. This is new. Justin gave it to me for Valentine's Day. I have the, hold on, let me bring the t-shirt down. This jacket is one of my favorites for like the workout jackets. This is by Aloe. I have it in black and white. And it has like this corset. And I love that the pocket is zippered. And then the back has like that little aloe, slight little aloe sign, but that's it. And I love that. And then the front goes all the way front, all the way. But I think the corset detail is what really makes it. And the zippered pockets, because you can run with this jacket. You know, you just zip your keys in your phone or whatever, and you can go running. But for me, I just wear it to take on and off for working out. Yeah, I like it. This is lunch, the little shepherd's pie, cottage pie, whatever it's called. My little cabbage salad. Justin and I are gonna finish it up. And some papaya. This man like right here, he locked me out. He bolted the door. I was knocking, I called him. Nobody answered. I went to our front door. And you know what? I said, knock, knock. No one answered, so I started knocking on his window. Thank the Lord Jesus, his window is right there.
Was the trick. I literally thought, because knock on the door is like UPS driver or whatever, but the knock on the window, I was like, oh, someone's doing construction nearby. That's really loud. I had my headphones and I was on a call, and I was like, when I realized it, I looked at the Ring, like the doorbell camera, and
you saw your angry wife outside, locked out of her home.
I was just like, hold on a second, my wife's locked out.
I was locked out. I was like thinking about, I was like, oh, I'm hungry. Let me watch me DoorDash some lunch in my vehicle while I wait for him.
I'm sorry, baby.
Dang, and it was both too. Everything was bolted.
You think I would do that intentionally?
Safety is good. Safety, but dang.
I was trying to protect myself from your anger, dang.
You should. My rage was I was like, oh, this month I'm gonna have to DoorDash some lunch. See, when I'm hangry, it's over, honey. Coffee date with my boo thing.
Let's go. Cheers, baby.
We're getting my car washed. I'm back home with my jackaroonie. Just picked them up a bit. Koopy was saying hi. Don't mind the laundry. I will fold laundry anywhere and everywhere around this house. And then whose skateboard is here on the floor? I might accidentally step on it. Liam. He's not home yet, but I saved his little skateboard, buddy. What are we watching? What are we watching? Hi, Koopy Woo Woo. Minions! We love Minions! Here goes my Oliver. Hi, baby! You looking for some squirrels? It looks like it's raining outside a little bit. A little wet out there. I did leave some walnuts when they're ready to come, right, buddy? Hi, Bubba! Koopy's like, hi, give me some more food. I wanted to show you, I got them this elevated... Why there's 3? Because they didn't finish that one earlier, and so, but... It's so weird because now there's only 2 plates instead of 3. Remember Sunrise, Charlie, and Bob? It would be 3. It's so weird. It's heartbreaking they're not here anymore. Hello, my friends. It's clean sheets day for my jackaroonie. So I'm just putting on his bedding because I just washed it. And it's nice and warm. And it smells so good for him. Let me go find those pillowcases. This one's Jakey's. Oh, I forgot to take this out. That's okay. I love the theme of his room. It's like astronaut space. I don't think you've ever seen Jakey's room. Or maybe you have. He has really good, cute wallpaper. I love that. Love that for him. Oh, hi, Koopy. Hi, buddy. You want to help me with the sheets? Oh, my sweet baby, my sweet baby. Hi, you can come stay here. You can come. Hi. I just gave you some food. I'm just making nice, clean bedding for your brother. You want me to wash yours? You have a nice little mat that you like to sleep on. You want me to wash that for you today? I can do that for you. Yes, I can. Look at him. He's getting so big. I know he's still skinny, but I read that cats grow longer before they grow thicker. It's usually 10 months. He's not 10 months yet. I think he's 7. So he still has a lot of length before fullness, like Oliver. Oliver is 11 months now. And hi, baby. I love you. He's so cute. I love him. I try not to squeeze him, but I think I'm gonna. Come here, Peppy. I just gonna give you a little bit of loving. Oh, I love you. Oh, he's still purring, so he's not as annoyed. Hi, baby. You like that nice clean belly? Hey, Bubbles. You're so handsome. You're growing so big and strong. You're doing so good, Bubbles. Look at you, my handsome boy. Oh my gosh, did I tell you about the dream I had about sunrise? It felt real. I probably have, but can I just share it again? Like, be a good friend and just hear it out again if you heard it before. I dreamt that I gave him like a hug in my dream, and it felt so real. Oh my gosh, it felt insanely real. Like, I was really hugging him. And I'm so grateful he came to me in my dream because I've been waiting and I miss him, and it's been over a year. Wow, Sunrise, a whole year. It took you a year. But you know what? Please come back in my dreams because I miss you. But yeah, it was beautiful. I hope he comes back again. I hope Bob comes back and shows me himself as a bunny. I hope Charlie finds his way to me too. I love my little char things too. Here we go. Bed is made. Hello, my friends. So it is the next day. I spent all morning filming a fun like haul and try on for a reel. I hope you guys watch it. I got a bunch of stuff from JLux Label and I styled it, and I hope you enjoy because I did. I forgot how fun it is just being so girly and trying on outfits and styling it and doing my hair and makeup. It's giving the old YouTube beauty 2009, and I like it. I'm bringing it back, girls, because I love it. Well, I'm bringing back the fashion, and then maybe a get ready with me here and there, but I enjoy it. It was so fun, and I was so excited. I went to Justin, and I showed him every outfit, and it was just so much fun, and I love the outfit. Like, at 40, I feel the most me I've ever felt. I dislike perimenopause so much, but I feel like the most me. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but y'all know, I be like checking people now, I be talking back. Like, I love it. It's very freeing. And also when it comes to style, I feel like I found my style in a way. And so I just really hope that you guys watch that video because it is very me. The style is very me. That is something that I want to wear out in these Minnesota streets when it warms up. So yeah, just had to share. Anyways, we're gonna be going to sponsor games, and it's gonna be like a week of me not vlogging. I will be vlogging, but it's gonna be a busy week. We're gonna be out morning till night, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sponsor games we're at sponsor games every single day. So yeah, hope you don't mind. I'll see you guys in like a week. And also check out my Instagram because girl, I'll be posting, okay? I'll be posting on Justin's sponsor games, on Creator Wizard. I'm the one posting for him. I'll be posting. So I'll see you there. And also check out my Instagram because I'll be posting on my IG too. Bye, friends.